Hello, greetings everyone. In this video, we will present to you about the drug of Etoricoxib.
What is Arcoxia? Arcoxia is a type of non-steroidal inflammatory drug, and this is the chemical structure of Arcoxia. The drug of Arcoxia can treat some diseases such as osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and the pain and swelling in the joints and muscle. Next, this schematic shows the physiological process of Arcoxia. To make it short, NSAIDs will enter our body and it will inhibit COX-2 and prostaglandin, and lastly, it will mediate pain, inflammation, and fever. Etoricoxib blocks COX-2 pathway and inhibit the production of prostaglandin in the joint, as prostaglandin triggers inflammation and transmission of pain signal to the brain. Possible pathophysiology of Arcoxia are gastrointestinal complication, ulceration in small intestine, and stomach injury.
So now, let me tell you how the drug is discovered. After the discovery of COX-2 enzyme, DUP697 became the lead molecule for the development of COX-2 selective inhibitors, COXIBs. Using computer-aided drug design, structure-based drug design approaches such as molecular docking and molecular dynamics (MD) simulation studies, final drug of Etoricoxib is obtained.
For preclinical trial, it requires two tests, which are in vivo and in vitro test. For the in vitro test, blood will be taken from a healthy human body, whose hasn't taken any drugs for a week. Then the blood will be tested in 4 different concentration of inhibitors. The plasma of the blood will be observed to measure the COX-2 activity, by prostaglandin production. Next, Arcoxia or Etoricoxib at certain concentration will be added to the blood and it will be let to clot for 1 hour at 37 degrees Celsius, to measure the COX-1 activity by thromboxane production. For in vivo test, a rat that suffer from arthritis will be used in the lab. The rat will be given Arcoxia orally. X-rays of the affected area will be observed after 21 days. As the result from both test, in vitro, the drug Etoricoxib shows better inhibition of COX-1 and COX-2 in human blood, and in vivo, the drug shows fast recovery of arthritis in rats.
The next is about pharmacokinetics. So the absorption study will test with 12 healthy subjects, and the 6 healthy subjects without fasting, the bioavailability is 83%, while for 6 healthy subjects with fasting, the bioavailability is 101%. Next is distribution. The mean volume distribution when we taken Arcoxia through orally, the mean volume distribution is 124 liters. While we taken the Arcoxia through intravenous, the mean value distribution is 119 to 120 liters. Metabolism. For metabolite 1 and metabolite 2, their mass is 16 daltons higher than parent compound, while for metabolite 3, the mass is 30 daltons higher than parent compound, while for metabolite 4, it is 192 daltons higher than parent compound. Elimination. So the elimination half-life when we taken the Arcoxia through orally, it is 21.7 to 22.2 hours, while we taken it through intravenous, the elimination half-life is 24.8 hours.
In this case, we compare the effectiveness of Arcoxia in 2 patients with different diseases. Arcoxia is first tested into rheumatoid arthritis patients. The trials were done for 8 weeks. Arcoxia are tested with 4 different doses and 4 different amounts of human volunteers, and is also compared with placebo. Conclusion is 90 mg of Arcoxia is better than naproxen. Same case happened to osteoarthritis disease. From 6 weeks trials, we can conclude that Arcoxia is much better than placebo. And last, for chronic low back pain. The conclusion is we can see Arcoxia is much more better than placebo with 60 and 90 mg of dose.
That's all from us. Give us a like and thanks for watching.